Bro, we literally just got done fighting like 2 massive demon creatures.
You
over and
fought
over and
through
over again.
so many hordes of demons to
Bro,
get.
he died to wall.
Just wandered too close to wall, cause of death. Too close to wall.
Like, Doran, bro.
After literally dozens and dozens of waves of demons.
Dude, yeah. This is I honestly don't believe you. Like,
really was kind of just them being wanting it out thing.
yeah.
Could have had him die back there though.
Could have had him die in the cutscene, like in.
Yeah,
In
some
the
kind
big
of
boss
cooler
fight.
way. Yeah.
He
Yeah,
sacrificed
instead of the wall
himself
getting him,
instead of
yeah.
the wall. Yeah.
They were like, "What do we fucking do? We forgot to kill him."
He made it here. Shit.
An executive spits out coffee. We forgot to kill Donan. Fuck.